how to make slow shutter effect in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a stunning slow shutter effect in CapCut using the free Unreal 2 video effect. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your CapCut app and then go to the edit option on the bottom left corner of the screen, and you can start by creating a new project or work on your old projects as well. So once you have selected the video, you will need to tap on the timeline, and then you will need to increase the speed of your video to 1.5 times faster. Just tap on speed and then go to normal, and then you will see it is set to 1x, so you'll need to set it to 1.5x by dragging the circle on the slider to the right. So set it to 1.5x. This will help us achieve that dynamic slow shutter look. And then tap on the tick option and come back and go to effects. And then once you're on effects, tap on video effects, and then here on the search bar, search for Unreal. So search for Unreal 2 and tap on it, and then just tap on the filter. So now you have applied the effect. So uh, you'll need to work on the effect speed to 50. So you'll see sliders on the effect, just tap on it, and then you need to set it to 50. So drag the slider to the left and set it to 50. Or you can even tweak it to your preference for the best results. Finally, to make sure to extend the effect duration to match the length of your video. So for that, you'll need to come back, and then you will need to just match the effect with the video, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.